Good evening. I'm going to make a brief technical and fundamental analysis of Microsoft. Ticker symbol is MSFT. Well, this is the chart since the IPO back in 1986, and the stock had this incredible bull run here where it jumped about 300 times or so. But since 2000 it has been trading sideways, as we'll see in this medium term chart, sideways to down a bit since since 2001, mid 2001 we have this mild descending channel, and the all-time high was roughly $60, so it is about 50% below its all-time high set in 2000, in early 2000. Okay, this is the short-term chart. I still don't have the chart updated with today, but the stock is roughly unchanged, so no changes here. Well, it should break out above this 31.5 resistance level, which is about this high here, and it is trading now above the 50 days and the 200 days moving averages. And let's check the fundamentals now. This is my valuation model. Let me make a quick review of this model. These yellow lines are known facts, the white lines are my estimates, and the dark yellow lines are calculated by the model. So we have stock trading at $30.52 now. There are 9.56 billion shares outstanding, and I expect the share count to diminish about 2% a year going forward. That's why I have this 0.98 dilution factor for the next 3 years, and this gives me a final share count for late 2009 of roughly 9 billion shares if the buying back pace continues. Initial revenue, this is the revenue the company had over the past 4 quarters. It was $49.56 billion, and I expect revenues to grow 12% a year going forward. This has been the historical growth rate for the past 5 years, and I expect that to continue, so 12%, which gives me a final revenue for fiscal 2009 of $69.6 billion. Initial net profit margin, this is the net profit margin the company had in 2006. It was 28.5%, and I believe this may expand a bit to 30%, but it will stay roughly the same. And this gives me a final net income of $20.88 billion for 2009, and earnings per share of $2.32. If we apply to this an earnings per share multiple of 25, we get Microsoft at $58, finally approaching its all-time high in late 2009. And this means it will rise 23.9% a year going forward, and I consider this attractive. Anything above 16% is attractive to me, and the optimal selling price today with this information would be $37.16, which is the price where with this fundamental landscape the stock would start returning less than 16%. So I consider it attractive. On a 1 to 10 scale I give it a 7, but I'm looking for smaller cap companies with more potential, more than 40%, but 23.9% is also very respectable for a 290 billion market cap company, which is, I believe it is the third largest in the world now, after Exxon and General Electric. So a 7 on a 1 to 10 scale. Thank you. Bye.